Forest River Salem 27 Ray for sale in Twinburg, Ohio 44087. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2018 Forest River Salem 27 Ray in social distance and style. This luxury travel trailer is 33.08 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 comfortably. It has been outfitted with 2 slide-outs, 2 power awnings with LED lighting, as well as power slab jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its like-new condition. This 2018 Forest River Salem 27 Ray travel trailer RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area with 3-burner stove, oven, and MicrowaveLG solid surface kitchen countertops, modern roller shades, double kitchen sink with residential designer spring faucet and kitchen island stainless steel appliances, 10.7 cubic feet, residential refrigerator / freezer with 12 volts DC inverter LED interior, mushroom lights, dinette with booth seating, electric fireplace, surround sound inside and out, DVD / CD / StereoCable, ReadySofa, SleeperTwo, ReclinersGlass, enclosed shower, master queen size 9-inch pillow top, mattress storage, dresser / closet room for queen size, blow up mattress, 7-year transferable warranty, and so much more. This 2018 Forest River Salem 27 Ray is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2018 Forest River Salem 27 Ray travel trailer can be yours.